Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now, in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2016 past question. We will be answering questions 56 to question 60. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now, for question 56 to question 57, we have an instruction here. Now, the instruction reads, in each of the questions 56 to 57, in each of the questions 56 to 57, choose the option that has a different stress pattern from the others. In each of the questions 56 to 57, choose the option that has a different stress pattern from the others. Question 56, option A, original. Option B, deplorable. Option C, ability. Option D, revolution. So which of these options has a different stress pattern? Now when you look at original, the stress falls on the second syllable. It falls on the second syllable from the beginning of the word. Original. But if you are counting from the end of the word, it falls on the third syllable. Option B, deplorable. Now when you look at deplorable, the stress also falls on the second syllable from the beginning of the word and the third syllable from the end of the word. Option C, ability. Ability has the stress on the second syllable from the beginning of the word and the third syllable from the end of the word. Option D, revolution. Revolution has the stress on the third syllable from the beginning of the word and the second syllable from the end of the word. So, option D, revolution has a different stress pattern. It is stressed on its third syllable while other options are stressed on their second syllables respectively. So revolution has a different stress pattern. So option D, revolution has a different stress pattern. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 57. Remember, we have to select the option that has a different stress pattern from the others. Option A, release. Option B, exit. Option C, exchange. Option D, explode. Now, when we look at release, the stress falls on the second syllable, lease. It is pronounced louder and longer, release. Option B, exit. Exit, the stress falls on the first syllable, exit. It is pronounced louder and longer, exit. It is pronounced lower than X. Option C, exchange. The stress falls on the second syllable, change, exchange. It is pronounced louder and longer. Option D, explode. The stress falls on the second syllable, plode. It is pronounced louder and longer. So, looking at all of these options, the option with the different stress pattern is option B, exit. Now, the stress falls on the first syllable for exit. It is stressed on its first syllable, while other options are stressed on their second syllables respectively. So, the answer is option B. Right, moving on, question 58. Now, for questions 58 to 60, we have another instruction here, and the instruction reads, in each of the questions 58 to 60, choose the appropriate stress pattern from the options. In each of the questions 58 to 60, choose the appropriate stress pattern from the options. The syllables are written in capital letters. Question 58, melodramatic. So, in this word, where should the stress fall? Option A, the stress is falling on the first syllable, me. Option B, the stress is falling on the second syllable, lo. Option C, the stress is falling on the third syllable, dra. Option D, the stress is falling on the fourth syllable, ma. So, which of these options shows the correct stress pattern for this word? Now, to get the correct stress pattern of words, the word has to be correctly pronounced. to get the correct stress pattern of words, the word has to be correctly pronounced, because a wrong pronunciation of the word would result in a wrong placement of stress. So, for polysyllabic words that end in IC like melodramatic, the stress is always placed on the second syllable from the end of the word. Melodramatic. So, ma is receiving the stress in this word. It is the second syllable from the end of the word. So, the answer is option D. Moving on to the next question, question 59. Xenophobia. So, which option shows the correct placement of stress on this word? Option A, the stress falls on the first syllable, Z. Option B, the stress falls on the second syllable, no. Option C, the stress falls on the third syllable, fo. Option D, the stress falls on the last syllable, bia. So which of these options shows the correct placement of stress on these words, xenophobia? Now, to get the correct stress pattern of words, the word has to be correctly pronounced, because a wrong pronunciation of the word would result in a wrong placement of stress. Now, xenophobia is pronounced as xenophobia and transcribed as seen on the screen. So we can see what the stressed syllable written in capital letters, fo, xenophobia. So fo is pronounced louder and longer than any other syllable in the word, xenophobia. So the answer is option C, fo receives the stress. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 60. Congratulations. Congratulations. So which option shows the correct placement of stress on this word? Congratulations. Option A, the stress falls on to. Option B, the stress falls on lay. Option C, the stress falls on con. Option D, the stress falls on gra. To get the correct stress pattern of words, the word has to be correctly pronounced, because a wrong pronunciation of the word would result in a wrong placement of stress. Now, congratulations is pronounced as seen on the screen. Congratulations. So the stress falls on lay. We can see the transcription of congratulations on the screen. We can also see what the stressed syllable written in capital letters is lay. Congratulations. Lay is pronounced louder and longer compared to any other syllable. So the answer is option B. Congratulations. Lay receives the stress in the word congratulations. Alright. And with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of